In this video, I will guide you how you can write x2 in PPT slide just like this. This is simple and easy. Let's get started. First, I'll delete that and now type x2 and it's just a font 250. Make it center and now just select the 2 and right click and go to the font, and under the font tab you will see that Superscript. Click on that and you can click OK, and this is what you can see. That another way is that select it and press the Control Shift key and is equal to key, and this is the shortcut key to Superscript. And if you press again Control Shift plus is equal to, then it will be on Superscript. So I hope you understand how you can type X2 in PPT slide. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.